Hello guys, we are going to be reviewing today the Makita HP331D. Yes, this is a 12 volts drill and it is cordless, as you can see. This is a rechargeable battery which can be charged, and it does come with two batteries. We can charge it like this by sliding it inside. Red means it is charging, and green means it is already charged. And you can see the symbols here, legend. If you want to see. Okay, for the drill, it has hammer drill functionality, a screw driver, and a drill, a regular drill. And the drill, the screwdriver drill, screw driving functionality does come with its control to fine tune its torque. One means it's weak, and 18 means the torque is strong. So you can fine tune it. This is useful when you are drilling. I mean, when you are screw driving. And when screw driving, let's put the drill bit. I mean the screwdriver bit. And let's try this black screw. This small 2x2 block. See, it's easy to. It's easy to drill with this black screw. I prefer using the black screw when drilling. This type of screw has very bad head and it's not sturdy. It goes round, while the black screw is great for drilling into wood. Let's try again. See? And that is not only the use of the drill. There are other ways to use this. We can also use this with the masonry drill bits. I bought this Bosch drill bit 1 year ago, or I mean maybe around November 2017. This drill I bought September 30, 2017 at Lazada. Most of these are from Lazada. Okay, let's put this. When using an masonry drill bit, put it in hammer mode so that you can drill through masonry, through concrete blocks. I have used this type of bit, but I'm not sure, I'm not contented. I feel it's lacking. I think it's best to buy something that is carbide tip. This requires you to do some effort when drilling. I don't like this. But it's good if you are only drilling through small holes. By using these first 3 small bits, it's fine. You'll be fine. But the larger bits, it's pretty hard. And suppose we also want to use it for unscrewing some of the screws. Yes, we can also use that with the drill. For example, you have a new motorcycle or a keyboard or any electronics that you may want to remove the screws. It's possible. Let's do a sample on this. This size 10. Yes, I think it's size 10. Yes, it's size 10. We will be needing this okay, let's test this. Took only a few seconds, maybe 2 or 3. Around 3 seconds or less. And to save you from finding the tools that you can use for converting, you can use this. You can buy this from Lazada. Little bit hex extensions. I don't know what's the name. I don't remember, but I'll be putting them in the link in the description later. This for a 1/2 size. If you have a 1/2 socket, you can use that. It's useful. And if you have a 3/8, you can also use the 3/8. And if you wish to get a set of this is Stanley. This is a 1/4 Stanley set. Comes with these bits. Very useful with your drill. Although I only use mostly the hex and the Phillips. Since I have a Ford car, I also use the Star, but I only use it rare. I don't use it often. Okay, what else have we got here? I think that's it for today, guys. If you wish to have the set or the drill or the hex parts, I'll be putting them in the link in the description. By the way, this has been very useful for me. I use it almost every day. Um, Only light works. I have drilled through concretes many times, but I'm not satisfied with concrete drilling on large drill bits. But anyway, guys, have a great day. Thanks.